Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding legitimate, free options. Search the Vivo theme store and community repositories for freely distributed themes. Once done, back up your current theme and phone data so you can restore if needed. Make sure to enable developer options and USB debugging on your device. These are necessary for safe file transfer and testing. You'll avoid risk by using officially permitted files and keeping a recovery point. This protects settings and prevents losing purchases or customizations later. Next, use the Vivo theme editor and built-in customization tools to achieve the look you want. Icons, fonts, wallpapers, and color accents are usually editable. If you must modify files, work in a sandbox or separate folder and edit only user-style XML or CSS resources. Avoid altering DRM-protected binaries. Once done, test your modified theme on a secondary profile or emulator so you can iterate safely. This approach gives you control, preserves compliance, and reduces the chance of finally apply the customized theme and verify all UI elements, home screen, lock screen, notifications, and system apps to ensure consistency. If assets do not appear, clear the theme cache and restart the device. This forces resource reload. Make sure to keep your backup handy. If you encounter instability, visual glitches, or functionality loss, restore the original theme immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if something goes wrong, restore the backup first. Reproduce the issue in the sandbox, and then fix only the offending asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.